Welcome all. We are going to be see the basics of organic chemistry. In basic of organic chemistry, we are going to be see in details about what is the mesomeric effect and the importance of mesomeric effect into the organic chemistry. So if we'll see, the mesomeric effect in chemistry is a property of the substituent or a functional group in a chemical compound. It is defined as the polarity produced in the molecule by the interaction of two pi bonds or between a pi bond and a lone pair of electron present on an adjacent atom. So in a simple terms, we can describe mesomeric effect occurs when pi electrons move away from or towards a substituent group in a conjugated orbital system. So the mesomeric effect can be subdivided into the two types. One is plus M effect and another one is a minus M effect. So in a simple way, mesomeric effect is nothing but it is the polarity produced into the molecule by the interaction of the two pi bonds or between a pi bonds and lone pair of the electron. So this is one of the example of the mesomeric effect. So mesomeric effect is a permanent effect in which a pi electrons from a multiple bonds or a non-bonding n electrons of an atom completely transferred to an adjacent single bond. So you can observe here, this is a pi bonded electrons is going to be transferred to a single electron. It is going to be transferred to a single electron. So that's why it is a mesomeric effect. So what are the characteristics of mesomeric effect? So it is operated in the unsaturated conjugated compounds. It is operated into a unsaturated conjugated compounds. Only pi electrons and non-bonded electrons in all, but no sigma electrons. So that means is the first characteristic is what it is going to be operated only into unsaturated conjugated compounds. It is having only pi electrons are going to be in all and non-bonded electrons are in all. Sigma bonds or the sigma electrons are not going to be in all into the mesomeric effect. It is operated even in the absence of reagent. So no need of the reagent to exhibit the mesomeric effect. It is a permanent effect. If the displacement of the electron density takes place along the pi bonds, mesomeric effect takes place like this. So it is also called as the conjugate effect. Mesomeric effect decay very slowly along the conjugated chain. Mesomeric effect is stronger than the inductive effect. So the flow of electrons from one part of a conjugated system towards the other caused by the phenomena is called as the resonance, which is also called as the mesomeric effect. So resonance effect and mesomeric effects are having the same properties. Minus M effect when the electron displacement is towards the group, like nitro group and CHO. That means electrons will be moved towards the this group, nitro and aldehyde formyl group. They are the electron withdrawing group. So electron movement is towards the group. So that's why minus M effect. Plus M effect is what when the electron displacement is away from the group. So the groups like OH, OR, halide, alkoxy, hydroxy are electron donating. So they are going to be give the displacement of the electron is away from the group. So that's why it is a plus M effect. So positive mesomeric effect, as we have seen, positive mesomeric effect is going to show when displacement will be away from the group. When the non-bonded n electrons are transferred from a particular group towards the conjugated system, which increases the electron density of the conjugated system, then such a phenomenon is known as the plus M effect or the positive mesomeric effect. In phenolic group, OH group shows the plus M effect because of the delocalization. So as we have discussed that plus M effect or the positive mesomeric effect is going to be observed when the bonded these electrons will be move away from the system. So this hydroxy group, it is a group which is going to be move away the electron toward the ring. So it is electron donating groups are there. So that's why it is a positive mesomeric effect, and we are going to be see that all mesomeric structures are the resonating structure of this molecule. Pi electrons are going to be in all, which are going to be donating group. So that's a plus M effect. So plus M effect are going to be excited by non-bonded electrons are also going to be enol. So these are some of the examples. Vinyl chloride, the electrons of this chlorine, which is a non-bonded electrons, will be move and which are going to be enol. So that's why it is a plus M effect. The halides like chloro, bromo, iodo, alcohols, ethers are also going to be exhibit the plus M effect. In case of the acetamide, ester, aryl ether, phenoxyether, in all the cases these non-bonded electrons will be involved into the resonance, or it is going to be move away from the group. So that's why it is a plus M effect. Other groups are like thiol, thioethers, amine, amino, primary amine, secondary amine are also going to be exhibit the plus M effect. So if you are going to be that, what is then minus M effect, which is also called as what? Negative mesomeric effect. So when the pi bond electrons are transferred from the conjugated system to a particular group, so it is a transfer of the electron towards the group through the conjugated system, and this phenomenon is called as the negative mesomeric effect. So in this case we are going to observe this is the carbonyl group, so electrons are going to be transferred towards this oxygen, towards this group, so that's why it is a minus M. So we are going to be see all this structure. Negative mesomeric effect of the carbonyl group is shown in example. It reduces the electron density on the beta carbon atom. So electron density on this is alpha beta unsaturated system. Because of this minus M effect, electron density onto the beta carbon atom is going to be decreases, making the beta carbon as a more electron deficient in nature due to the minus M effect. So minus M effect, pi electrons are going to be enol. So this is like the alpha beta unsaturated system like crotonaldehyde, where electrons are going to be moved toward the oxygen. In all the cases oxygen is the group and the electrons are going to be moved toward the oxygen, towards the group, so that's why it is a negative mesomeric effect, and pi electrons are enol. So another is aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester, all are alpha beta unsaturated system will show the minus M effect. Like acid halide, amide, anhydride, they are also going to be exhibit the minus M effect. Other electron withdrawing group like cyano, nitrile, nitro, then it is the sulfonic acid are also going to be exhibit the minus M effect. So if you like the video, then you can share this video as well as you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.